Okay, today we're talking about kidney loop filtration and transfer carts. So what is a kidney loop filtration and transfer cart? Well, as the name implies, it allows you to transfer fluids from one piece of equipment to another, or you can kidney loop or filter the oil in a piece of equipment over and over again through a series of filters that you see here. There is a hose with quick couplers to make it quick and easy to hook up your hoses to a piece of equipment, whether you're talking about a skid steer, wheel loader, excavator, etc. So you can clean that hydraulic oil or transmission oil to a level of cleanliness that is desired. This particular design I made with fork pockets, so you can lift this entire cart up and drive it around with a forklift or lift it on the back of a service truck. I even included lifting eyes for that purpose. And it also has a handle so you can push this cart around like a shopping cart. And there's swivel casters and stationary casters that you can see in this picture. And it's basically operated by a pneumatic diaphragm pump because it won't hurt the pump if you run it dry. It's self-priming, and the wetted parts are compatible with hydraulic oil, engine oil, transmission fluid, etc. Great shop tool for heavy equipment shops, truck shops, buses, trains, etc. The quad filter rail has a series of 4 filters, starting from largest micron down to finer micron. And there's a storage box for all of your couplers and connectors. And the frame is made out of square tubing and rectangular tubing. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.